Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening, Mem Nova and Mr. Man. I'm Ana Sartika from Joyful Class, and this is my second video with MS student. Hello, Mr. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Yam Soda. I'm from MS Students. So, sister, what is our topic today?
Our topic today is childhood memory.
Okay, childhood memory.
Childhood memory.
Yeah. So, let me know about your childhood memories.
I have a lot of childhood memories, but this is my unforgettable memory when I was a child. So when I was a child, it's around 5 or 6 years ago. I always get up earlier at midnight, around 2 or 3 a.m. and at that time I always cry and my mom almost faint because all of my neighbor was getting up that time. So because I make noisy voice, yeah, I think it is a normal thing as a child, isn't it? But you know, sir, I always had same dream, like nightmare every midnight. So that's why I always get up at midnight and then I cry alone. That's almost 3 years later. I almost get up at midnight. So until now, everybody knows me as a child who always cry at midnight. And then I don't know actually the reason that I cried until I know that time there was a grandfather. He's my neighbor. He guarded me or kept me with something invisible, like that. So I had a friend, but it's not a human being. Yeah. So he always asks me about a number. Like he asked me about number.
What number?
Yeah. For gambling.
Gambling.
Yeah, that's a game. So if you input the number that the number is right, you will get money.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. And the grandfather always asks me about the number, but I don't know actually what number he means. And then I until memorized my father's one number because I don't know which number did he ask to me. And then but I don't know. I gave the number every time I give him number. The number is always right number. So even I just said like number 31, and then he input the number and the number is right. So he got the money. Yeah, he got the money from that. So I think that's really impossible thing or something. Not make sure at all until I know actually the grandfather had given me something until I every word that I said that's come true. Like
come
that.
true.
Yeah, until I stopped crying. I stopped crying around 7 years old. When I was elementary school. I stopped wake up at midnight, but I always have nightmare, but not at the night. So when I take a nap, I always had the same dream like something fall down to me. Like I still remember the dream until now, and same dream until I stop playing. And then after that, my mother told me that I always sit on my bed, yeah, on my bed, But in my side,
Yeah.
I looked at my mother look at me, but I was sleeping. But my mother said to me, and the next day, why are you get up and then laughing? Yeah. But actually, in my eyes, I just sleep, and then I look at my mom and my little sister that they were looking at me, and I confused why actually they look. Yeah, and then they tell me that at the night you get up and then you laugh by yourself. That's actually I think a horror, yeah, a creepy story about my childhood memory. Okay.
Is that?
Yeah, I think thank you for listening my story, sister. And last I say thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Aduh.
Thank you.